In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for marketing strategies. Now, if you want to use Poppy AI to be more efficient, to save time, energy, productivity, and improve just efficiency baseline, right, for your business or your brand or your company, you can actually, the shortcut is go to your dashboard and just use a template. Find a template that suits your needs, but we're going to go manually here. So this is, again, a simple setup for you. So we need to open a new Poppy chat here on the left hand side. When you click this or click C, this is going to pop out, and then you need several groups depending on how much information you want to use. So either press this one or G. So for this, we have several groups that we have, right? We have our brand voice. This is going to be, you need to upload everything and drag it here, or copy paste and drag it here. Maybe your company SOPs, your website, everything related to your business, your articles that you've written, blogs, etc. Right? And the past marketing campaigns. This is where all the past marketing campaign data, analytics, your Google Sheets, your statistics, cost, just everything goes here. Analytics data, just maybe in general, that's not related to your past marketing campaigns, right? Maybe your current day analytics for your business. And then if you want, create a group for your competitors. So, for example, your company or your business is, say, party needs, right? So balloons, like all those things, and you have competitors in your area. You might want to put like their website, everything that you can get from them online here, right? And then just connect everything to your Poppy chat. Once you have that all connected, you can start maybe by creating an outline using all the resources you have connected and you have uploaded and pasted here on your board, right? So you can be like, based on everything linked, brand, voice, past marketing, analytics, competitor data, I want you to give me an in-depth outline for a summer campaign for both social media, which is online, and small in-person events, which is IRL, right? And based on all the information that you have provided Poppy Chat, it's going to make you an in-depth outline on how to go about a summer campaign for your business. So that's how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link we have provided in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you on the next video.